Hey guys, hopefully Miranda stays a little bit quiet just for this last part. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to pick up your stamp of the month this month. I'm going to use this thing over and over. I love it. I love the size. Look how perfect that is on this standard card. Just works out really nicely. Stamped excellently, of course, as always. This book I can't say enough about. I'm going to put it in my binder, but I don't know where I left my binder, my black and white striped binder. I'm looking for it everywhere. I'll probably find it once I get off camera here. But so I just put these little bookbinding rings on it, and this is volume 4, but again, volume 3 I believe has more to do with scrapbooking. Volumes 1 through 2 have different things, so just check it out. I love this little book. It just gives you a lot of inspiration if you're not sure like how you want to design your card, and then you go from there, right? So I love it. Really great. Make sure to check out the flash sale. It's going to end in a couple hours, so maybe by the time you've seen this it's already over, but definitely want to check those out for those 30% off deals. Cricut bundles, the glitter paper, all that stuff. Here's the stamp of the month, which is $5 if you spend $50 or more, or you can just purchase it for $17.95. But I did want to show you the pink bundles that are for sale this whole February, so until the end of February. I mentioned it, but I didn't really go into them. So it's 30% off these bundled pink sets. So like this one's really great. A lot of fun things. So let's just keep going here. So the color of the year bundle. The color of the year is Bashful, and it's just a beautiful pink, just really soft pink. So they have this bundle, is $25.41. It's a ton of the pink paper, the glitter paper, which is amazing. It comes with ink and the pigment ink and rhinestones and all kinds of fun things. So there you go, the pearls, should I say. The Butterfly Mobile bundle, which has a whole tutorial that goes along with this, but this is just gorgeous with all the pinks that it comes with all the inks. And then you have a little video that goes along with that. That's $34. And then with the stamp that you can see in the YouTube video they have there, it's $40.96. And you can check that out. So, you know, the Bashful binder is on sale, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and pick one of those up myself. And then they have the Cut Above layout kit with The Story Begins for Baby Girl is on sale. Like, just check it out. They have lots of nice pink things under that area under VianneyCreates.ctmh.com. So these are my thank yous for January. I said I was going to go ahead and do the February one now too, but I'm going to probably post that tomorrow, even though I'll work on it right now as I'm working on these other ones. But definitely go check out all this good pink stuff. It's definitely on sale, and we love pink, don't we? So check those out. Lots of sales right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the links for my store down there for the Close to My Heart store. And thanks again. I think that's all the things I thought I should touch on at the end of the video here. But how cool is it? You can use those little strips on the top that usually have information on one side, but the other side has the cute little strip on top that you can still use that worked out so nicely for this. So thanks. Oh, and the last thing I was going to do is after this is dry, I put a little pressure on it, is just trim this down to size. So that was the last thing I was going to show. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Anyone who wants to join, you guys know I'm pretty chilled. If you would like to join Close to My Heart and get a discount with them, or a commission, however you want to work it, or just get your discount, or just get your consultant kit, get that Bashful kit for free on top of the everything else that comes in the consultant kit, I don't mind, and then never do it again. That's up to you. There's no penalty or anything like that, and certainly not from me, and certainly not from Close to My Heart. So check it out. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.